Upgrading or selling your OnePlus. A simple factory reset may leave recoverable data behind. In this video, we'll show 5 reliable OnePlus data erasers to securely wipe your phone and free up storage, comparing their features to help you choose the best one. Top 1. Best OnePlus Data Eraser MobiKin Eraser for Android. Designed for thorough Android data removal, MobiKin Eraser for Android, Windows, Mac offers 3 security levels that can permanently erase files on OnePlus devices. How to use. Install and open MobiKin Eraser on your computer, then connect your OnePlus via USB. Enable USB debugging and select Erase. Choose a security level, type Delete, and click Erase again. After erasing, perform a factory reset to remove system data. Top 2. SafeWiper for Android. Engineered with multiple erasure modes, SafeWiper for Android efficiently deletes personal data, app information, and residual files from OnePlus phones. Top 3. Secure Erase iShredder. Known for using military-grade wiping algorithms, Secure Erase iShredder is ideal for users who need high-assurance data deletion on their OnePlus device. Top 4. Data Eraser App Wipe Data. Providing a straightforward interface, Data Eraser App Wipe Data offers a quick way to remove personal information from OnePlus phones before resale or recycling. Its simplicity makes it accessible for users who prefer a one-tap cleaning solution. Top 5. BitRaser Mobile Eraser and Diagnostics. Built for professional data sanitization, BitRaser Mobile Eraser and Diagnostics delivers verifiable results with certificates that confirm complete data removal on OnePlus devices.